So, hey guys, in this particular video, I'm going to telling you that how you can make the new files using Node.js. In Node.js, we are going to use fs module. So, I will have this particular empty directory and I will open my terminal, and here I can just type npm init -y and just click and enter. So, here one file are been there, and I will make file called name as main.js, and here I can just do the one thing, so I can just reopen it. So okay, so this is our function. Okay, so now what am I going to do? I can just type const fs equal to require. Okay, ruq you require fs module. I can just import the and I can just write it, and it will be right without any error. So after doing that, I can just make some logs here, console.log. Okay, so okay, console.log, and here I can just print an fs module for your kind information, but now I don't need it, so that's why I am delete it. But if in case you want it, then you feel free to uh, see what when the console log we will be print, so then what will be happen. Okay, so fs dot write file sync, this is one of the function, and here I can make the file name just like my name is Manas, so I can type the manas dot txt. So this file has been created. Okay, so and in this particular file I will be write Manas is good boy. Okay, so there is some error, I don't yeah. So yeah, whenever I run this particular, so I have to delete this. Okay, whenever I run this particular file, so you can see there is a new folder make as manar.txt. So this file, and it will be back starting, and yeah, this file is here, and here in this file this thing is here. I hope you guys are like this particular informative video. So if you like it, please take a like, and bye bye.